As our spreadsheet evolves, we often suddenly think, oh, I need to insert a row or I need to insert a column. The quickest way to insert a column, for example, is click on a column letter. So I might go with a scenario I need to record their middle name, their maiden name, and their nickname. So I'm going to click on column B to select the entire column B, and then I'm going to hold the Control key on my keyboard and hit the plus on the number pad on the far right hand side of the keypad. So Control plus is a quick way to insert columns. Control minus is a quick way to delete columns. Be careful you don't delete too far or you'll delete your data, in which case just press or click undo. To insert rows, click a row number, so maybe row number 2, to select an entire row, and press Control plus to insert, and Control minus to take away. So the trick is click a column letter or click a row number. Use Control plus to insert and Control minus to delete. If you don't choose a column or a column letter or a row number, and you press Control plus, this will appear, and it doesn't know if you want a row or a column. So make sure you select a row or a column before you press Control plus or Control minus.